and I would put like maybe one word to jog my memory. Again, Google Maps, visual, right? Literally, the first words that come out of my mouth, I go right into the story. There I was, it was 2009. I found myself at a crossroads in my career. I remember overlooking the golf course in Atlantic Station. I was writing in my journal and I had to make a decision at that time, right? I'm going into a personal story, right? And then I'll go over here, well, you're in the right room today because today we're gonna find out how to, boom, 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 state the table. What are you gonna cover? Today we're gonna talk about how to do this, how to do it. Remember I asked you guys to do that. Put in 1, 2, 3. Don't worry, it's gonna be a lot easier than you think. We're almost coming up here. It's a matter of minutes now. Let's just do one more, like let's say observational story, right? It didn't happen to you, so you can't say there I was, or several years ago, you know, I remember, you can't do that because it didn't happen to you. So say something like,